rocking all day. So I'm making some meatballs with some spaghetti. And I'm trying to open this thing. Let me stop smacking my lips. Put some salt in my water. Yeah, I'm making meatball and spaghetti for the fam. And yet again, I haven't done anything today. I slept. I slept for like 2 hours. I find that I'm sleeping more often now, and I need to. I go back to the doctor next week, so I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with the medicine. Whether I'm gonna taper off of it, or I'm gonna continue on it and feel like crap, or I'm gonna find something else that hopefully works. So until then, I just have to deal with it. Suck it up. Eliana, what are you doing?
No, I'm playing.
You're playing? Why are you dipping your hand in the cup?
I need ice.
Jordan, you haven't graced the vlogs in a while. You don't want to say hi? What are you doing? Watching a movie? And that's the point. You want them to get nice color. What should I have? Should I have this? I don't have this one. I think I'm gonna go with this. Or do I? Or should I do the short ones? What to do? I think I'm gonna go with the long ones. Do I have enough long? I don't know. Do you think it's enough for 6 people? We shall find out, right? I think I'm gonna do some longs. And some short. This guy. Long and short, right? Don't matter, right? Toss it. It's all going in the same place. So, what do? Let's bring this guy over here. I'm gonna do that guy. I should just break them in half. Yeah. Dump it out. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here just to make sure. Because my kids, this meal is the children's favorite meal, so I have to make sure I make enough because they're always coming back for seconds. So I gotta make sure I have enough. Yeah, make sure I have enough. Yeah, that should be enough. Right? That should be enough. Put that guy back. And this guy. So I'm out of these. Need to fill that up, and I'm out of this one. Need to fill it up. So nice vlog is gonna be. Well, today's vlog is gonna be pretty boring, right? It's just me cooking. It's me cooking. Don't worry, just a plastic bag on the floor. I'm not some dirty trifling person. When I come in my kitchen, everything is just turned upside down. And get all this stuff in the pot. Whoops! Okay. These meatballs are starting to look like they're done cut some color. Okay. I'm gonna put this down because I have to. Parmesan! Yep! Baba! Let me grab this while I'm up here. Parmesan cheese. So, let me grab that while I'm over there.
I'm gonna cut up my onions and I'll be right back.
Okay, so I got the onion in here and the green onion. I hate cooking meatballs because it's so hard to stir. I mean, I don't hate it. It's just I can't stir my pot. Then I'm gonna put my sauce in. Oh. I'm gonna put my sauce in. What's on there? Put on my bottle. Tomato. That's tomato. So now I'm just gonna stir. And then I'm gonna add some sugar to cut the acidity in here. I think that's what it's for. I think that's why they add the sugar, just to cut the acidity. I don't know, but I noticed that if I don't put it in, if I don't put the sugar in, my husband gets heartburn. When I put it in, he doesn't get heartburn. So I'm gonna grab me some sugar. Oh, a little bit of sugar, not so much. Just enough. Just enough.
Yep. My food pantry right there.
I'm gonna get another tattoo.
Why are you getting another tattoo?
I want to get ES established in 1987 on my knuckles.
No.
Yes.
I can tell you right now that sounds stupid.
Stupid
No
to
one
you.
needs to know that you were established in 1987.
No one needs to know what that is.
It says established,
Yeah.
meaning
They
founded.
don't know who.
Oh, shut.
Leave me alone.
That's what happened when you have people saying stuff they don't even know what it means. Like he's over here cursing at me for no reason.
Like cussing at you?
What are you two doing over there? Hello. I farted on you. Because I want to fart on you. Hi, honey.
And people who's listening to it, she mommy is kind of into it.
I'm gone.
And I like Pokemon. And I like Fortnite too much. Just kidding.
We're supposed to look here. Here. Okay.
Here?
Here.
Here?
So, right there. Yeah.
Hi.
Here. You're still looking at yourself. Here.
Here?
Yeah. And here.
Oh, I see you.
Yeah.
What? Here. Just
What
kidding.
did you do today at school?
I did blocks. Wait.
Bye, Jason.
Good morning, peeps.
You're not ready.
It's
Like,
I'm late as usual.
Mommy, can you help me with my homework? You're not
When? You have to turn it in today.
I know.
Her cute little outfit. I love her outfit. Right, Ellie?
What?
I love your outfit. You're welcome. Want to say good morning? Want to say good morning? We can't see your face. Good morning. So cute. Jackson, get out the street, babes. Gia, what is your problem? All right. There's no car coming. Let's go. Go. You guys gonna have a good day today? Where are you, though? Go, mommy, go. It rained a little today. Boys, cut it out. Good morning, Gio. Good morning.
Say good morning, honey. Look at your face. So we're gonna go to the MBA for him to do his what's the test name? The air brakes for I thought this bus was gonna run us over. We're gonna go and do the air brakes for his CDL.
And see my makeup? This is 2-minute makeup. So I was rushing to get out the house because my husband, and when he's home, it's like I feel like I'm rushing, but I'm not late. But with him, I always feel like I'm late. I don't know why. But we're gonna go do that, and then I don't know what else we're doing today. I think that's it because he works at 2. And I'll probably go to the grocery store to pick up grocery because we're back on our exercise, right, honey? My baby woke up this morning and went to work out. And what? Did you buy those at Ocean City?
I'm gonna put them on.
Did they have poop on them?
No, they weren't inside of the porta potty.
They were on the floor?
They were on the shelf.
Oh, someone took their glasses off to poop. And now my husband is rocking some man or woman glasses. Well, they lost our game. But anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, we're back in our exercise thing. Bye-bye.
Hi, sweet pea. Oh, he's so cute back there. So we're back in our exercise thing. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store and pick up some stuff for us so that we can stay motivated and stay on track and not eat junk. So yeah, pray for us. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Finally got his permit in hand. So $90 later, but it was worth it. You have to invest money in order to make money. So what are we gonna do now? Daddy passed. Did you say congratulations? No? Yeah. So I feel like I need to be doing something, but I don't know what it is yet. Oh, I have to go to the grocery store. I have to pay my rent. I have to pay my rent. It's that time of month.
No restrictions.
No restrictions. Yeah, so he passed. I'm proud of him. He worked hard for it. And I think he did it because it's, you know, something for us to have under our belt. You know, if anything happened, he has something to fall back on because he never went to college. So it's a good thing to have, you know. It's a good thing to have. So yeah, proud of my baby. He's over there cheesing.
I gotta get my fingers.
Now he gotta get his tankers.
And then they say, okay, here you go, you can ride.
But we're one step closer to where we want to be in life. Gotta work hard for what you want in life. Gotta work hard. Right, Gia?
So we're at the grocery store. I need to get eggs. Watch out, Gia. Condoms.
I'm gonna get these two. These two. Yeah, I'm gonna get those. And I need to finish mine. But we're just grocery shopping to get some food because we have no food. Why are we down here? It smells nasty. Borax. Is this the thing that they said is good for the white clothes? Borax.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this.
I'll see you guys later.
Oh my gosh, guys. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 avocado for $1. Yeah. That's amazing. So, I'm gonna make avocado salad. So I'm just getting back in the house and I'm getting ready to prepare my husband's lunch. So he's gonna be having some baked chicken that I got at Harris Theater for, what's this? $4.99? Yeah, on Fridays they have their $4.99 baked chicken. And I'm gonna have that with some salad. Got some sweet potato. Oh, and these were also $1. So you got 2 mango, a pear, and an apple too.
Come on! Watch me now, let's go, come on! Watch me now. I'm going to go here, got the